Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn nationalism in India together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study how Indian nationalism developed during the freedom struggle and how Mahatma Gandhi shaped a mass movement against British rule. The First World War brought economic hardship, high taxes, and rising prices. The Harsh Rowlatt Act of 1919 allowed detention without trial, and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre deepened anger against British rule. In 1920, Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement. Indians were asked to boycott British schools, courts, and foreign cloth, and to surrender titles. It was called off in 1922 after the violent Chauri Chaura incident. In 1930, Gandhi began the civil disobedience movement with the famous Salt March to Dandi. By making salt from seawater, he openly broke the British salt law and inspired people across India to defy unjust laws. Nationalism also grew through culture. The image of Bharat Mata, patriotic songs, folktales, and the tricolor flag gave people a shared identity and a feeling of belonging to one nation. To recap, Indian nationalism rose from wartime hardship and unjust laws. Gandhi united people through non-cooperation and civil disobedience, while shared symbols and culture forged a strong sense of national belonging. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.